The Journey of the Little Star. Once upon a time, in a realm far above the earth, there existed a little star named Stella. Unlike the other stars in the night sky, Stella was much smaller and dimmer. She was often overlooked by the other stars, who shone brightly and boasted of their brilliance. Despite this, Stella was a cheerful and kind-hearted star, always dreaming of making a difference in the universe. Stella's best friend was Luna, a wise and gentle moon who had watched over the night sky for centuries. Luna loved Stella dearly and often encouraged her to believe in herself. "You have a unique light, Stella," Luna would say. "It may be small, but it can brighten the darkest of nights." One night, as Stella gazed down at the world below, she noticed a small village called Meadowbrook, nestled in a lush valley. The villagers were preparing for their annual Festival of Lights, a celebration where they lit lanterns to honor the stars. Stella felt a tug at her heart, wishing she could be part of their joy and bring them some light of her own. Determined to help, Stella decided to leave the sky and visit the village. With Luna's blessing and guidance, Stella began her journey down to earth. As she descended, she transformed into a tiny, glowing orb, drifting gently through the night sky. When Stella arrived in Meadowbrook, she found the village in disarray. A fierce storm had passed through, leaving the villagers without any lanterns to light for the festival. The children were especially disheartened, their faces full of disappointment. Seeing their sadness, Stella approached a young girl named Ilara, who was sitting alone by the remnants of a broken lantern. Ilara had golden hair and bright blue eyes, filled with tears. Stella floated down and gently touched Ilara's hand, filling her with a warm, comforting glow. Ilara looked up in astonishment. "Who are you?" she asked, wiping her tears. "I'm Stella, a star from the sky," Stella replied. "I saw your village was in need and came to help." Ilara's eyes widened with wonder. "Can you really help us?" "Yes," Stella said with a smile. "I may be small, but I can still shine." Stella's glow grew brighter as she concentrated, and she began to share her light with the villagers. She floated around the village, touching broken lanterns and shattered glass, repairing them with her gentle touch. The villagers watched in awe as their lanterns lit up one by one, their spirits lifting with each new light. As Stella worked, she sang a soft, melodious tune that filled the air with hope and joy. The villagers joined in, their voices blending with Stella's in a beautiful harmony. Together, they transformed the village into a sparkling wonderland, with lanterns illuminating every corner. The Festival of Lights was more magical than ever before. The villagers danced and celebrated, their hearts filled with gratitude for the little star who had brought light to their darkest hour. Ilara, now smiling and full of joy, held Stella close and whispered, "Thank you, Stella. You've made this the best festival ever." Stella beamed with happiness, her light shining brighter than ever. She realized that Luna was right, even the smallest star could make a big difference. As the night came to an end, Stella knew it was time to return to the sky. She bid farewell to Ilara and the villagers, promising to watch over them from above. With a final burst of light, Stella ascended back to the heavens, where Luna awaited her. "I'm proud of you, Stella," Luna said, embracing her warmly. "You've shown that true brightness comes from within." From that night on, Stella shone brighter than any star in the sky. The villagers of Meadowbrook would often look up and see her twinkling above, a constant reminder of the night their village was saved by a little star. And every year, during the Festival of Lights, they would light their lanterns and tell the story of Stella, the star who brought light to their darkest night. Stella continued to watch over the village, her light a symbol of hope and kindness. She knew that no matter how small she might be, her light could touch the hearts of many and make the world a brighter place. And so, Stella lived happily, spreading her light and love across the universe, knowing that she had found her true purpose.